Hello, today we are making a super easy recipe which is my baked eggplant. The ingredients you need are a large eggplant or brinjal, mozzarella cheese, marinara sauce, you can use store-bought as well, and optional ingredients breadcrumbs and mixed herbs which will give it a beautiful crunchiness. The recipe for my marinara sauce is on my YouTube channel. You can also click on the link here. Let us begin by slicing the eggplant. You can do this in rounds or lengthwise. Today I am cutting it lengthwise and about half a centimeter in thickness. All that is left to do now is assemble everything and pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Line your baking tray with parchment paper or foil. Place your eggplant on top. Today I am making only 4 slices, however I will leave the recipe for the full eggplant at the end of the video. Smear your eggplant with some of that delicious marinara. This sauce is well seasoned, but if yours needs more, go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Top with the cheese. You can use some parmesan for extra flavor and nuttiness. It is almost done, except for the last step, which is optional, and that is the mixed herbs and breadcrumbs, which gives it that extra crunchiness. Bake the eggplant for 20 to 25 minutes. And we are ready to dig in. To see more delicious recipes, please subscribe to Trusty Crust. And if you like this video, please share and leave a comment below.